Hello YouTube, this is my small lathe and today it will come alive again. I have upgraded all electronics. I made a new electric cabinet with ETCAT and a new computer and new everything. Today I will connect up everything and hopefully produce some chips. So it is here. Yeah, it is pretty dirty inside, but that doesn't hinder anything. And here is some free space. I will push the lathe into the corner here. But first, a bit of cleanup. There we go. When was the last time you degreased the walls in your workshop? Yeah, that position is right. Let's start there. Yeah, that looks quite a bit nicer. yeah, I think that's it. It should all be connected up now. And as always, the cables can always be arranged a bit better, but I want to test it now. Yeah, I can feel it vibrate. It tries to pull it there. Anyways, I want to test it now. There are a lot of blinking ETCAT LEDs here, so that is promising. I think this will work. It is up so far. It worked on the bench. Does it work here? It does. Yes. Ah, this feels good, this feels good. But it needs a thorough cleaning. Ah, yeah. And the spindle then. We do have power there. Yes. Yeah, it goes backwards. No, it goes right. That's the right way. Then it should work. So let's check that it goes the right distance. Here's a precision instrument for that. And there. If we say now I should go 2 centimeter, 24.2 there. No, that was too much. Let's see if we go to it again. 20. No, that was too much. It goes too much there. No, so that one goes half. Yeah, so I have troubleshooted this behavior, and it turns out that this transformer here is too weak. It's only on 0.83 amps, so I think this is 16 volt amperes. And that isn't enough to draw those two relays at the same time, including the internal ones there. I checked the size of the transformer on my milling machine, and that one is actually 63 volt amperes, so this one is 1/4 of that one. These two relays, they are designed for alternating current. Obviously one can run them on direct current for a short while, but it's not recommended, and I don't want to do that. This one I can run on both AC and DC. The solution is though to replace that one with a larger one. But for the time being, I will just give it a little nudge here when it starts up. There we go. And now it works fine. Emergency stop. Restart. So I think this is it for this video. I know I said in the beginning that I will produce some chips, but you trust me, right? Oh no? Okay, I will do some chips then. Yeah, it works, it does work, but it's not perfect in any way, but it does work. Yeah, it's a terrible noise from the spindle there. Anyways, yeah. Well, now you're happy, right? Anyways, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.